I came across a local dental clinic that had a very typical problem, but it was quietly costing them thousands every single month. They were getting dozens of calls every day, new patients, follow-ups, emergencies, but they simply couldn't keep up. Calls were getting missed during busy hours, and after 6 p.m., there was no one answering at all. Weekends were completely dead. At the same time, they were paying over $4,000 a month for a receptionist and still losing patients. So instead of trying to optimize their process, I decided to rebuild it from scratch. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built an AI receptionist for them, step by step, and how it ended up saving them over $4,000 per month. I started with the voice. Right now, I'm inside Smallest AI. This is where the voice cloning happens. I upload a short voice sample, and I'm opening Lightning TTS. Just a few seconds. No training, no setup, nothing complicated. I hit generate and listen to this.
Hey everyone, the voice you're hearing right now was generated by Smallest AI, using a clone of my real voice.
That was generated in under 15 seconds. And what really matters here is the latency. This runs at sub 100 milliseconds, which means there's no delay, no robotic pause. It actually feels like a real human conversation happening in real time. Once I had the voice ready, I moved into Atoms, which is where the actual system gets built. I'm inside the dashboard now, and I click New Agent. So here we have 3 different options. I'm going to click on Start from Scratch. I name it Dental Receptionist, and then I define its role. I tell it clearly that it's a professional receptionist for a dental clinic, responsible for answering calls, guiding patients, and booking appointments. From here, I move into what is probably the most important part of the whole build, the knowledge base. On the screen, I start adding structured information about the business. I input all the services they offer, like cleaning, implants, and emergency treatments. I add pricing ranges, opening hours, booking rules, and the most common questions patients usually ask. This step is what turns the system from a generic AI into something that actually understands the business and can operate like a trained staff member. Once the knowledge is in place, I configure how the agent behaves during a call. I define the flow step by step. When a call comes in, it answers instantly, greets the caller, asks what they need, and identifies whether it's urgent or not. From there, it guides the conversation toward booking an appointment. At the same time, I set up data capture. The agent collects the caller's name, phone number, the issue they're facing, and their preferred time. Then I connect that directly to a simple system like a Google Sheet or a CRM, so every single call automatically turns into structured, usable data. Now comes the part that made the biggest difference for the business. They didn't want to change anything about their current setup. They wanted to keep their existing phone number and workflow, so instead of replacing their system, I connected the AI directly to their existing phone line. From their perspective, nothing changes, but now every call is being handled intelligently in the background. After that, I configure how the system handles more complex situations. If the request is simple, the AI handles it completely. If it needs a human, it transfers the call. And here's where it gets interesting. I can choose between 2 types of transfer. In a warm transfer, the AI summarizes the call before handing it over, so the human already knows what's going on. In a cold transfer, it just passes the call directly without any summary. This allows the business to stay efficient while still keeping human control where it matters. Then I add one more layer. With a single click, I embed the same agent directly onto their website. So now it's not just handling phone calls, it's also capturing leads from website visitors using the exact same logic. Once everything is set up, I test it. Let's do a web call with it and see how it performs.
Hello, thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a dental appointment for this Friday.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Is this for a general checkup, cleaning, or are you experiencing any discomfort?
Yeah, I've been having some pain in my lower tooth for the past 2 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Since you're experiencing pain, we should schedule you as soon as possible. We currently have an opening this Friday at 3:30 p.m. Would that work for you?
Friday afternoon works for me.
Perfect. Can I get your full name, please?
My name is Michael Carter.
Thank you, Michael. And what's the best phone number to reach you?
My phone number is 415-8821942.
Got it. I've scheduled you for Friday at 3:30 p.m. for an emergency dental consultation. Before we finish, would you also like information about our cleaning or whitening services while you're visiting?
Actually, I also wanted to ask how much a standard cleaning usually costs.
A standard dental cleaning usually starts around $120, depending on the condition of the teeth and whether additional treatment is needed.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Great. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. If the pain gets worse before your appointment, feel free to call us again immediately. You're very welcome, Michael. We look forward to seeing you on Friday. Have a great day.
All right, let's end the call now. But honestly, that felt way too natural. Moments like this are when AI actually starts to feel a little scary. And honestly, if you didn't know it was AI, you wouldn't question it. It responds instantly, asks follow-up questions naturally, and smoothly moves toward booking an appointment. There's no delay, no awkward pauses. It feels like talking to a real receptionist. Within a day, the system is fully live and running, and the results were immediate. In the first week alone, it handled hundreds of calls, automatically qualified leads, and booked real appointments, even outside working hours. The clinic went from missing a huge portion of their calls to having full 24 hours a day, 7 days a week coverage. Financially, the impact was even more significant. Before, they were paying over $4,000 per month for a receptionist and still losing potential patients. After implementing the system, they reduced that cost to a fraction while actually capturing more business. The estimated impact was over $4,000 per month in combined savings and recovered revenue. But here's the part that really matters. I didn't just build this system, I sold it to them. Because when a business is saving thousands every month, paying a few hundred for something like this becomes an easy decision. And once you build one of these systems, you can build it again. Different business, same structure. That's what makes this powerful. This isn't just a tool, it's a repeatable business model. If you want to try this yourself, you can check out Smallest AI. They give you $10 in free credits when you sign up, and you don't even need a credit card. I've added the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.